we never had a flooding issue. In 1994, I worked for a state farm agent in Atascocita, and we had a week's worth of rain. It was the week of October 19th. And because we had so much rain in such a short period of time, uh, they had to open Lake Conroe, and it flooded the back part of Kingwood, and it flooded all along Hamlin Road, which are two areas that somewhat flood. Now, the back of Kingwood never flooded, and it never flooded into the part of Kingwood that is Foster's Forest Cove. But this time they were having to rescue people off the roofs of their buildings because they let out too much, too far, too fast.